So are we having fun yet, gals? Yeah? You're live right now. No, you're not live. I was going to do a review for Eric at Kraken's Garage about this ram mount here, and on the way up it flopped completely back over on me, and I realized I didn't have it cranked down tight enough. So Eric, when you put your ram mount on, really crank it down tight, and I think it'll hold steady. I'm finding now that it's not flopping back on me, so it's working out pretty good so far. So at my Avenue of the Giants video, I was trying to do a shout out, so I'm going to do the shout out right now. And that shout out is for Sean, UCM Pigs. Guys, if you haven't been and checked out his channel, he is an excellent motovlogger. This guy can talk. He's a veteran of the United States Navy, and he's also a contractor now for the United States Navy. And a couple of his more recent videos, he went to my hometown of San Diego, rented an Indian motorcycle. He rode on some of the most challenging highways you can find in San Diego County. Those videos were awesome. I really liked them. So anyways, yeah, UCM Pigs. I'll put a link in the description. Say hi. That's Bree on the back. Nancy's out in front of us. Michael's in front of her. We got horses on the right. And we're going to show you some of the prettiest parts of Northern California. I think this is the rock slide up here where they wanted to get lunch, but yep, it sure is. I wanted to go a little bit further, but get some drone footage over the water, I don't know. So we'll just play it by ear. I was actually hoping that we were gonna be able to go far enough to launch the drone over the river.
I'm down.
But it's up to you. I mean, I don't really want to go as far as Big Bar, but
That's the problem.
what's that? Huh? Big Flat. Yeah, that's what I meant, Big Flat. Am I filming? Yeah, doesn't that suck when all the good stuff happens inside the bar and you realize your camera isn't running? I had a blast. That was fun. Yeah, right. Tim Farabi
chose to go south of Fortuna around the COVID.
Right. Tim, you blew it. You missed out on a good time.
You missed out on the friends up here that know you.
That's right.
That totally know you.
Uh-oh, what are you doing, Nancy? So that was a blast. Never thought I'd have that much fun at the Rock Slide Bar. Ain't that a pretty road, King? Guess she's waving me by. I don't know why, but now Dewey Rides put up a video not too long ago that was talking about the wildfires, and we had some pretty bad wildfires in this area here too, but it looks like a lot of it has grown back. I think when you get up the road a little bit further you can see quite a bit, but I don't think we're going that much further today. Okay, now you can really see where the wildfires took over. Way out and beyond, it just got scorched. Even on the left there, you can see a lot of the dead trees. It's just now starting to come back to life. But yeah, it was a rager, no doubt. Such steep terrain like that, the hot shots couldn't even get to it to dig any hand line. This might be where they're talking about stopping, I don't know. Let me stop and find out. I think this is it.
But only you get the truth out of me. I'm tired, warm bodies wrapped in different sheets. I'm fired up, sweating when I think of you. I'm on my way down. They'll say that I'll never go back for you.